a combined video which we're going to use on 2 listings, one for this little milk jug and also for these 2 cake plates. But let's have a look at the milk jug first. A lovely shape, isn't it? Bell bottomed almost, or bulbous anyway, and not quite round either. Just look at the side elevation. See how it's almost drawn out into a sort of oval or oblong shape. This is made by Samuel Radford. The pattern is 1915. It isn't actually marked the pattern reference on here, but it is on some of the other pieces. And the China mark, which is rather indistinct, is a black crown with the SR for Samuel Radford, and the banner across the middle actually reads Radfordian, but they weren't using much ink when they were stamping these out. You can just make out part of that Radfordian mark, but we know this is definitely Samuel Radford Radfordian, which dates it to between 1913-14 through to around late 1920s for this particular piece. We think it's a Clematis alpina, I probably think, and a lovely sort of mauvey drop design with a stylized fine leaf along the top. A little bit of moulding detail, as you can see on this milk jug. But it's really the beautiful scalloping and this ornate handle with the gilt design that really makes this stand out. Beautiful little thing. We've got some trios in this design as well. Really nice piece in fine condition. Absolutely perfect. No damage or condition notes on that at all. Which brings us to these 2 little, I say little, they're a good size actually. They're 9-inch diameter. Got this molded detailing, almost like a shell design built into the side of them, and then again beautifully decorated in this Clematis design, reference 1915, but that's not the date, that's actually the pattern reference used by the factory. Again, Radfordian Samuel Radford marks on both of these. Haven't got decorators mark on these particular pieces. That one's got the remnants of it, as you can see, but nothing really distinguishing. If we didn't have the trios that went with this, we wouldn't know the pattern number or reference, which is quite often the case with some of these tree sets as they come through. You get the manufacturer and reference number from 1 or 2 pieces in a set of 20 or 24 pieces in a tea set. They're in fine condition. Just look at the glaze reflection on there. Absolutely pristine, no scratches or marks on them at all. Little bit of wear, just a very occasional light wear to the transfer design around the outer aspects, but just look at the gilt. Really nice bright gilt condition on these. Absolutely superb. Lovely pieces. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. We have got trios in this particular design, where they're absolutely gorgeous. I think we've got 9 of them available, so if you're looking for a part tea set, I haven't got the teapot, we haven't got the slops or sugar basin that went with this set, unfortunately, but we have got these pieces and they're available from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll put separate links in for the milk jug and the 2 cake plates, but if you do a search on the website, you should be able to find the Radfordian 1915 pattern teacup trios on the website and available for sale. Thanks for watching.